everybody, it's your girl Allie. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and guess what we're making today? We're baking again. Guys, I stopped in Walmart earlier today and I got these sugar cookies. My nephew and my mother, they love sugar cookies, so I decided to try out this new CINNABON bakery inspired sugar cookie mix that I picked up in the local Walmart. It was like $4.98 for the package, and it's been approved by CINNABON Bakery. So it says that we'll be able to make 12 big cookies ready to bake that are already in here. And I've already got the oven preheated to 350. The instructions are to place the cookie dough pucks 2 inches apart on a parchment lined baking tray. Now, I would have bought some parchment paper when I was in Walmart had I thought about the fact that I was going to go ahead and do a YouTube video for this. But I don't have the parchment paper, but I do have some of the Crisco butter non-stick spray. So that is what I will be spraying on here to just make it easier to remove the cookies. And maybe I'll do another video with the parchment paper. But it says to bake the cookies for 14 to 16 minutes, remove them from the oven and allow them to cool for 10 to 15 minutes on the baking tray before removing them. So I cannot wait to get going on this. There's a neat little message up here at the top, crafted by our bakeries. This classic sugar cookie dough will satisfy your cravings. Eating the whole box is completely understandable. And that's with love from CINNABON. And of course, down here at the bottom, there's a sweet treat. You can scan this QR code and you guys can go ahead and do that if you'd like. And I believe there's some kind of a reward that you'll get when you download it today. So this is what we're getting ready to make. Like I said before, if you are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. You are tuned in to none other than Allie's View. And we're going to slide this out here and see what's next. Oh, look, how cute. So we've got ourselves 12 cookies, and we'll go ahead and start putting them on our tray. But you know what? We were about to forget to spray it. I usually already have that done. So in an effort to make sure that I show you all the entire process, that was the reason why I waited. So now we're going to go and put them all on here, and they said put them on here about 2 inches apart. So I cannot wait to see how these taste. I know that, like I said, my nephew and my mother, they like sugar cookies, and I do too. Snickerdoodles and those types of items are neat to get when you're out and about and you have a sweet tooth. So we've got them all lined up. Like I said, if you are new to the channel, please, please, please hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. I said that I was going to share with you all some of my adventures. That was my intent and purpose of creating Allie's View. So now we're going to go ahead and put this in the oven. Here we go. And we're baking it for how long did we say? We're baking it for 14 to 16 minutes. Let's go. Alrighty dotty, so let's take a peek at our cookies. There they are. They are baking just like we had hoped. They're looking great. We're halfway through the process right now. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. All right, guys, we've got about another minute. Got about 1 more minute left. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. We are making CINNABON sugar cookies today. Can you see me? Okay, here we are, guys. We're taking out the sugar cookies. Yay! All right. So, guys, we just made CINNABON bakery inspired sugar cookies. And of course, we talked about the instructions. It said bake them for 14 to 16 minutes. They baked for about 15 and a half minutes. Remove from the oven and allow to cool 10 to 15 minutes. So they've been removed from the oven, and as you guys can see, I am allowing them to cool, but I will go ahead and kind of see. So they're cooling down now. I won't try to remove it because they are hot, but you can see how easy it is to get it up off the side, how easy it is to move the cookie up. And of course, that was from putting the spray on it. You see how it just kind of slides around? And this is actually my very first time making these CINNABON sugar cookies. Hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and I'm gonna let it cool down and have myself a bite. Let's go. All right, everybody, we have allowed the sugar cookies to cool down, and I must try one. So here we are. As you guys know, today I was making CINNABON sugar cookies, and let's see what they taste like. Delicious. I'm a person who likes to drink Pepsi. I do drink Coke also, but I'm gonna have me some Pepsi. With this delicious CINNABON sugar cookie. Be sure to get yourself some. They're $4.98 at the Walmart that I shop at. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and get yourself a CINNABON sugar cookie. Let's go.